Oigo Musalia Mudavadi nigo aenekea buna Obotuki bwachakirwe bene elio komanya ekikeirerete Cyrus Jirongo gosiria obugima bwaye nonya nabo nigo aburia abakenya gosininga enekeria abakenya buna ebiama nigo bigendete kwerikia nabo igo mbareba kwerikia inse yeliabuli ERIMO.
If there was foul play, the ones who are involved in the foul play be targeted. And if it was not foul play, then God's will shall prevail. So we want to state, na mimi nazungumza kwa niaba ya serikali, there shall be nothing to hide. We have to bring everything out. And the agencies that are involved with investigation, and I can see the Deputy Inspector General here and others, make sure that the process is completed. Let everything be brought to the fore so that nobody will go away in any doubt whatsoever as to this very unfortunate situation. Government, there are 93 political parties in Kenya today, and more are being registered. The government shall not obstruct the registration of political parties and the growth of political parties. We support multipartyism, so there should be no fear whatsoever that that is going to happen. Tukirudi nyuma, we all know that Azimio was a coalition. We all know that Kenya Kwanza was a coalition. And this is going to be part of the politics even as we go into the future. Coalitions shall be formed. Coalitions will come and go. Kwa hivyo tunasema hivyo ili tueleze kwamba hatuna nia kwamba demokrasia ya taifa letu ihudumiwe ama idhulumiwe na mtu yeyote.